3, 4, 5,
Hey,
everybody.
so today we're installing our VOG. This is a vertical oyster garden and part of the Coastal Conservation Association and Oysters for Ormond initiative. There's been about 600, to my knowledge, of these installed along the intercoastal waterway and on docks, and actually I think on Tomoka River as well, and it's creating a stir. And Stroll Waterfront Magazine here in Ormond and a lot of residents have put these together, and I was honored to be able to provided these to hang on our dock. Aaron and I put these on, but what they do is the oyster larvae, which are known as spat, will attach themselves to these recycled shells, and there's about 40 to 50 recycled shells on the stainless steel cable. And each live oyster, so the spat creates new live oyster, and when that grows, they can purify, one oyster can purify 50 gallons of water. So imagine if everybody just gets on board and we can change the water and purify things. And so if you're interested, reach out and I can put you in touch with the people. If you have a dock and you want to get them on your dock, we have lots more to install and we'll have more work days that I'll get to be a part of in the future. But thank you to all the residents along the water here in Ormond and Stroll and Oysters for Ormond.